Now question number 2.6 of class 12th, chapter name is electric potential and capacitance. First of all, let's see the question. The three capacitor of each of the capacitor 9 picofarad are connected in series. What is the total capacitance? Then the potential difference across each capacitor if the combination is connected in 120 volt supply. Okay. So first of all, let's see the concept. Concept is just that capacitance is equal to K epsilon naught by D, and summation of capacitor, the method is series. So you have to just directly add up all, and in parallel you have to take that in denominator, and then you have to take it reverse off in numerator, right? So this is the method that we are going to apply because it is in series. Sorry, there is a mistake. Actually this is going to be in series. This is going to be in series. I am making this way. So this is for series and this is for parallel, right? So this is for series. Okay, so now we are going to apply the concept. So the concept is C total. We are going to find out C total. That is going to be 1 by C total is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C plus 1 by C here, right? And that 1 by C is going to be 1 by C total is equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9, that is 3 by 9, and that is going to be 1 by 3, right? Right now, so C total is going to be 3 picofarad, right? So this is the answer that you are going to get, and that is in picofarad, right? So now what you have to do is in section B you have what is the potential difference across each capacitor. So because it is connected in series, that means the potential is going to divide it into three equal part. So the difference between this and this is going to be the difference between here this two is going to be, sorry, the distance between here this 2 is going to be 12 by 3, and here also it is 120 by 3. This is because that all that capacitor is of same value, right? Same magnitude. So the potential difference that is going to be across each capacitor is going to be 120 by 3. So that is 40 volt of your potential is going to be applied across each capacitor. So across each capacitor 40 volt of potential difference, right? So this is the answer of this question.